Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. In today's video, I want to go over a must-have feature that you need to add to your BMW before the winter time. Like always, before I get started with today's video, give this video a huge thumbs up, consider subscribing, and check out all of my links down below as they help out the channel at no cost to you. Jumping right into today's video, what I go over today is the remote start kit that is installed on my BMW. This kit is absolutely awesome. It is an absolute godsend to have in the winter. I can use my factory key fob to start the car. I press the lock button 3 times, or I can even start it from my phone. It is absolutely insane. I'll show you guys it in a minute. We'll do a demonstration. But with that being said, I just want to go over this kit. The kit is from a company called EUROSTART. Everything is done with factory BMW connectors. Everything is 100% reversible, no splicing, no anything. So if you're looking to pick up this kit, I'll have a link down below for EUROSTART so you can find a dealer that can install it for you. So let's show you guys the features and functions, and hopefully you guys get one for your BMW. So it's super simple to start your car using your factory fob. What you do is you do 1, 2, and on the third one you hold it for a second. So 1, 2. The light blinked as you saw, and it will start right up. And just like that, the car is started. I'm outside of it, and it was started using the factory key fob, which is super awesome. Now, the other way you can start your car, and the way I find myself remotely starting my car, is through the optional drone module using their app. So right here, we're inside the app. I can lock, unlock, and start the car. So we hold this button. I got a check mark on the screen. Car's started. And the cool thing is I have a run time, so I can see how long that it's set to run. So it's set to run for 20 minutes, and I can see the location and some other cool features on the car. Absolute awesome feature, being able to start the car from your phone from anywhere in the world. At least in the United States, it does use AT&T towers. So there's a SIM card in the drone module, and that's how it's connecting to the internet, and that plugs directly into the EUROSTART remote start module that's in the car. Again, plug and play for this drone module as well. Looking a tad closer into the drone app, we can see stuff about the car. We can see the current voltage. We can see if the engine's running, unlocked. We can see the alarm. We can see the temperature inside. We can see the cell phone service. Depending on if we pay for it or not, I currently do not pay for it. We can track the car. Again, we can see controls, any activity in here, battery low, stuff like that. We can also see there's a bunch of different settings we can go in. We can also say we can get notified if the car's alarm went off, and awesome stuff like that. It's a two-way system. So definitely, if you're gonna get this remote start kit, I highly suggest getting the drone module. I think I pay $5 a month or something for the service. Highly suggest getting this. It is an awesome thing to have, just to be able to click, and I believe Siri supports this as well as Alexa. So you could say, Alexa, turn on my car, or Siri, turn on my car. So stuff like that, definitely the next level thing, especially if you're a techie person like me, to get the drone module to just upgrade the way remote start works. Another thing I want to mention about the EUROSTART remote starter kit is, unlike newer cars where it actually turns the temperature to the desired setting based off the temperature outside, this kit unfortunately does not do that because you are retrofitting a kit. However, you can code with eSys to have the temperature controls be hot or cold depending on the season. So I mostly use my remote starter during the cold seasons, just because it gets really cold in New England, especially right now. It's November, we just hit daylight savings times. It's starting to get cold out, and it's definitely an awesome kit to have. I'm super thankful that I was able to have this kit installed in my BMW because it just works awesome. It's something that I'll never live without in any of my cars, and it's definitely something that you should go out and buy if you have a BMW without remote start. Having remote start is just something that, for me, I couldn't live without. I know some people can care less, but if you want to get this kit, I'll have it linked down below. It's pretty awesome. There's some other features that this kit does have. I have a whole unboxing video and review video that I'll have linked up in the cards and down below for you guys to check out. But I just wanted to make a short video on this just to remind you that if you don't have a remote starter kit, this is an awesome feature to add to any BMW that is in a northern climate such as where I live. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, check out my links below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.